In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Nordvpn app on Android. The safest and simplest way is through the Google Play Store, and I'll walk you through it step by step, along with a few tips to keep you protected along the way. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. On the home screen, tap the search bar at the top, type NordVPN, exactly like that, and pause for a moment while results appear. Now, look for the official app published by Nord Security. This matters because there are lookalike listings out there. The real app shows strong ratings and a massive download count, over 100 million, which helps confirm you're in the right place. Tap the listing to open its details page. Here you can double-check the developer name, read a quick description, and skim recent reviews if you want extra peace of mind. When you're ready, tap Install. Your phone will download the app and handle the setup automatically. Once it finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. That's the entire download process. From here, you'll be greeted by the app's welcome screens. NordVPN is designed to give you secure, private browsing using strong encryption and fast servers around the world. It's widely used, which is one reason it maintains that large download count and positive ratings. A quick but important safety reminder: many fake or low-quality VPN apps exist and can collect sensitive data. Studies have shown that a lot of Android VPN apps lack transparency or proper security practices. To stay safe, always choose the official NordVPN app from the Play Store and avoid random APK sites unless there's no other choice. Sticking to the trusted source helps protect your device and your privacy. One more tip before we wrap up. You'll need a subscription to use all of NordVPN's features. A free trial may be available for new users, so keep an eye out when you first open the app. If you decide to subscribe, you'll unlock the full experience, including faster connections and a broader feature set. And that's it. Simple, secure, and done through the official channel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your safer browsing on Android.